Oh my, guys, this tilapia fish recipe is everything. This is me trying it for the first time, and I must tell you, it is everything and more. In fact, I am glued, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made it. Just continue watching, okay? And trust the process. Now, let's begin. Get your chopping board and your fish. Please, before now, make sure you wash your fish. I did wash mine with lemon, salt. Okay, the lemon will help to get rid of that fishy smell, so do not skip it, okay? So once you're done, place it on your chop board and pat it dry, just like you're watching me do. Remember to get rid of the guts, the fins. Yes, just wash it well. Now, just look at how clean it is. Can you see that? So you have to take your time and wash it properly. Lest I forget, another thing is the scales. Yes, you need to scrape it out. Like when I say take your time, I mean take your time, okay? All right, guys. Now let's move on to the next stage. It is time to score them. So, what I mean, like make some incisions on them. So you grab your knife, just like you're watching on the screen, okay? That will help our spices, seasoning to penetrate into the fish, okay? And make it come out very tasty. So it is very important. You are expected to do it both sides, okay? Don't cut them like lightly. Make sure your knife is touching the bone, okay? Yeah, deep cut it. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So you do the same with the remaining fish. All done, guys. Let's move on. It is time to marinate it, okay? So we'll go in with some salt. Spread it all over the fish. Massage it very well. You can use your both hands, okay? Not just one-sided. You're going to sprinkle the salt all over the fish. Both sides. Also the head, the belly. Just make sure you do not over salt it. Half teaspoon of salt is fine because we're still going to use fish seasoning, which contains some salt in it. Here comes our fish seasoning. We're going to use half teaspoon of it on each of the fish. All right? We want it to come out very tasty. Please do not over salt, do not over season, in moderation, okay? Spread it all over the fish, concentrating more on the head, the belly, and the incisions. Make sure you rub it all over, okay? Very well. Massage it very well, just like you're watching on the screen. Hi to you that is meeting my video for the first time. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit that subscription button so you become part of us, okay? I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you receive an alert each time I post new video. Thank you. All right, guys. At this point, we are through with the first fish. This is us working on the second fish. Yes, you got to massage it. Take your time to massage it. Afterwards, we're going to leave it to marinate for some hours, okay? While that is happening, let's move on to the next stage. Here is our peppers, yes. In here, we've got some long pointed peppers. Here is our spring onions. Yes. Here is our onions, the red onions. We're going to be making some pepper sauce, yes, or stew, rather. Here is our bell peppers. We also have some garlic. We're not going to use the whole of the garlic. Let's say 6 pieces or 7 is fine. And we also got some scotch bonnet. Now go ahead and scrape them, wash and transfer in your blender and blend them. Here we are done blending, and this is how it is looking. Perfect. It should look this way once you're done blending. Yeah, smooth, but not that too smooth. I don't know if you understand what I mean. All right, guys, moving on to the next stage. In a pan, go in with your olive or your vegetable oil. Once it is heated, go on and add your diced onions. Next ingredient is dry thyme, a teaspoon of it. Allow to fry for a minute before introducing your pepper mix, okay? Now we've added our pepper mixture, we're going to give it a nice stir. If you want a large portion of this pepper sauce, all you need to do is to increase the ingredients. And you can store it in your freezer or your fridge, yes. Whenever you want it or want to make use of it, you just grab it easily, okay? All right, guys, we're going to allow it to fry. Yes, let the water reduce. We did not use tomato, so we're not going to fry for a long time, okay? Checking back after frying for 2 minutes, go in with your salt, your seasoning, your ginger powder. Please, if you have raw ginger, you can blend it together with the peppers, okay? I did not have, that's why I'm making use of the powdered one. So a teaspoon of it is fine. If you noticed, we just added a teaspoon of curry powder. Now give it a nice stir. Stir to well combine. So we're going to allow it to fry for another 1 minute, yes. And this is after 1 minute, guys. It is super ready. So ready. Give it a nice stir again and done. Now you take it off the heat. Lovely. It is looking good. Now going back to our fish. At this point, it is well marinated. Yes, we left it for hours. You can do 2 hours, even 1 hour, depending, okay? That's why it is good to start off with your fish. So before you go through the process of blending, peppers, washing, and all of that frying, you are giving room or time for your fish to marinate, okay? All right, guys. Now, if you notice, we already coating the sauce on the fish. Yeah, get the pepper sauce and coat it all over the fish, just like you're watching on the screen. You can use brush or your hands to massage it. In fact, I think using your hands is better. Yes, that way you massage it very well. So this is me using my hand. Yes, so you can use brush, you can use your hand, but I prefer hand. So wear your glove in order to prevent you from hurting, because the sauce is very hot, like spicy. For those that doesn't love spicy food, all you need to do is just to reduce your pepper, okay? The Scotch bonnet, just reduce it or don't even put it at all, okay? All right, we are still on it. This is how you continue until you are through with it, all right? Massaging the second fish. At this point, guys, we are done. As you can see, well coated. Concentrating more on those incisions, the hair, the belly, put those pepper sauce into it like very well, okay? We want it to be tasty. All right, guys, this is us adding some rosemary, fresh rosemary, and some ring diced onions. Yes, it will give it another flavor, guys. Please do not skip it. It takes this meal to the next level. Okay, add some fresh rosemary and some onions, okay? You see where I'm putting them inside the fish belly and some onions inside the head, okay? All right. This is looking good already. We are not done, guys. We are not done. Now, going on to the final stage. Yes. Final stage, guys. Now we're going to pop it into the oven and allow it to grill for 15 minutes. Turn it halfway, okay? And there you have it, guys. Our fish, grilled tilapia fish, is set, guys. Oh my. Guys, if you're a lover of fish, like you love fish, try this recipe. You're going to enjoy it. I'm telling you, yes. I am telling you to give this recipe a go, because you are going to enjoy it. Now, guys, let's plate it. Let's serve it, okay? Serve with me. Oh my, this is lovely. This recipe is everything and more, guys. You need to give it a go. Also, share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. And how can I forget? Special appreciation to all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your massive love and support. Please keep it up, okay? I love you all. Now, guys, it is time to taste, okay? So you test it with me. So we have also our pepper sauce by the side, okay? Oh my, oh my, oh my, this is looking good. So this is how you enjoy it. Nice. Lovely. So delish. It tasted super good. Thank you for watching. Bye.